So Rowan, you're going to do an application here, typically of an HVAC system, a fan system, and you're going to demonstrate how you can save energy with this range.
Simple process is this. I have two applications here, one with a direct online starter and one with a variable speed drive. If I had to start this with my direct online starter, you will realize very quickly the minute I push the button, there's no control, it just flies away. So let's do that. So if you look at that, completely no control at startup. Imagine all the mechanical stress placed on the component that you're driving, Brian. So to control that flow or that process, what do I have to do? I have to put a valve into the system to regulate my flow, which effectively means I'm running the motor at full speed but pumping against some form of resistance. So I'm wasting energy.
This is like standing on the accelerator and the brake at the same time.
100% correct, Brian, 100% correct. So if you have a look at the little meter here, I'm running at 0.109 kilowatt. That's the absorbed power at this point. Let's stop the system. Let's take the valve out of the process. Now I'm going to apply my variable speed drive. And you're firstly going to see a big difference just by means of the startup, because I can control that. I can really control that rate.
Real soft start now, okay?
There we go. There's my process. I'm doing exactly the same thing but taking away all that mechanical stress. The reality is that I can run this efficiently right where I need it to be. Now here's the big issue, Brian. If you now look at my kilowatt hour meter, I'm drawing 0.086 kilowatts. A huge saving. There is a payback on the system, Brian.